Shadow, are you ready to go outside? Go face the wind? Judge already faced the wind. Didn't you? You already faced the wind. It's super windy out there. Alright, chill out. Look how fast those clouds are moving. Holy cow. What do you think, Shadow? Is it windy? Scared of nothing. No, we're not going there. Come on. Yeah, we had a really big storm last night, apparently. I was asleep, so I don't know. But, it's been windy like this all day. I think it's actually getting worse. Pretty cool though, I always like stuff like this. Huge winds, thunder, lightning. Is that our bag of charcoal, is it? I'm gonna go pick it up. I don't like littering. Wait, Shadow. Royal Canine. You think that looks good? No? Oh, you got all tangled up. Come on. Just throw this into the apartment here. Wait, hold on. Shadow, stop. Stop. It's going all sorts of crazy. The wind making you crazy? Shadow's going crazy right now. What are you doing? She smells something. What do you smell? What do you smell? What do you smell? ice cream truck. Something just flew into my mouth. I don't know what it was. It was pretty gross.